Alright, we went ahead and downloaded the app. We are now turning the sock on. We're going to turn this up the whole way, full temperature. So with the app, there's different, tells you the heating level and also timer. You can add more socks, which we didn't add the other one yet. We just added one. Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are reviewing heated socks that are smart socks. So they have an app that works with this. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So right away we see they provide you with a nice long manual, a washing bag, so you would put the socks in here and then you would wash it in here. Provide you with really big batteries. Wow. So these definitely will last a long time. Very nice. On and off. Charger right in there so you can charge them. It looks like you can charge them at the same time. Just like this. You would plug it in like this and then into a USB port to charge them. So we're going to go ahead and have them charge for a little bit. When they're charging, they actually show you what capacity they're at, if they're at 75 or 100. So that's definitely a plus. Let's show you guys what the socks look like. So this is the socks. Now these are extra large and they go all the way up your leg. Battery goes in here and gets connected in here. Let's go ahead and try it on. Alright, so we got the sock on, and if we can show you, it goes the whole way up to our kneecap. So these are great for working outside, for hiking, for hunting, and all different events outside. They actually are very comfortable. They kind of remind you of like Frankenstein socks, but they're very comfortable. We're going to let those charge, and now we're going to download the app. Alright, we went ahead and downloaded the app. We are now turning the sock on. We're going to turn this up the whole way, full temperature. So with the app, there's different, tells you the heating level and also timer. You can add more socks, which we didn't add the other one yet. We just added one, testing the one out. It says quick heater, unlocking switch and press. So now we got quick heat mode activated, which I can definitely feel it heating up. It's definitely heating up good. Yeah, I could feel it working. You can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. It's definitely heating up. It's a slow heat, so it's not a rapid heat, but I can feel it down my leg, around my toes. It's actually pretty awesome, guys. So there's other stuff you can set. So the highest is 158 degrees. That's on full high. Overall, guys, I love this. Alright guys, after about a week of using these, they work phenomenal. The app is nice. It's nice to have a timer on, and overall, I'm impressed. They last very long for charging, as far as staying charged. They wash really easy. Overall, I'm very happy with them. They're going to work great for hunting season.